In standby mode, press the off button. The machine will automatically drain water from the booster. After 30 seconds, the machine will shut down automatically. Open the top cover, pull out the rack. Clean the interior of the machine with running water. Remove the rack guide. Remove the filter. Remove the drain rod to drain water from the wash tank. Clean the drain rod and filter with running water. The water tank has been completely drained. Reinsert the drain rod, filter, and rack guide in that order. Leave the machine door open to allow the interior to dry.